Hey there everyone, Miss Buffy here, and did all of you remember when I watched the first and second episode? Well, if not, you better watch those first before coming into this video. But anyways, today we're going to reacting to the third episode of Pac-Man Snack Breaks. Yes, the third episode just come out today, and I'm so excited to watch it. So, I'm going to watch it with all of you guys. Alright? So anyways, let's begin this video.
Isn't this fun?
Great orbs of fire! Mount PAC-MAN is even steeper than I imagined. But it'll all be worth it when we get to the tippy top. World's spiciest bit.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
PAC-MAN is even steeper than I imagined. But it'll all be worth it when we get to the tippy...
Whoa! What even the heck? Where did the fairy come from? Who is she? Who is she?
Top! World's spiciest berry, here we come!
That's where Pac-Man's enchanted journey is taking him to a hot fruit. Team Ghost, I hope you didn't have any plans.
Well, I was gonna do some yoga in nature.
How about this pose, Inky? It's called the Day Ruiner, and we're gonna show Pac-Man what it's all about.
Hey, look! The Pacaws are the same color as us. Isn't nature delightful? Thank you! We'll just cut across this river and Pac-Man won't know what hit him.
Blinky, I can't swim. They used to call me the sinking specter at summer camp.
Luckily,
But you're a ghost.
Pac-Acondas are great swimmers.
Nice and easy. Nice and... This isn't scary.
What the fuck?
What was that?
Gosh, these guys are idiots.
I shall name her Boolia.
Ew.
Focus, Clyde. I've got a foolproof plan. We just need Pac-Man to take the bait, and boom! We got ourselves a ruined day.
Come on.
Delicious and uneventful.
Pinky, your dumb trap is broken!
Should be working. I don't know what's wrong with this.
I tried to tell you we look like Pacaws.
Huh? Aha! At last! My associate's degree in prop design
Dick
came
Dog
in
got
handy!
Yeah, Enki.
Oh!
Now let's pilot this puka
I
into
just
Pac-Man.
noticed something.
My
I just noticed something. Is that those little creatures from Dig Dug? Like, look! Look! Jesus Christ, they got a Dig Dug reference in this. Well, it probably makes sense because maybe Namco just owned the Dig Dug or something. I don't know. I'm like, maybe yes, maybe no. I'm gonna shut up.
Its degree in prop design came in handy!
Yeah, Enki. Now let's pilot this puka into Pac-Man's vehicle. To the left. Clyde, you're just spinning in a circle. I know. Isn't this fun? Are we inside a puka plant?
Not for long.
None of your plans worked. Ow. And now, Pac-Man is gonna have a perfectly satisfactory day!
Yours didn't work any better.
Every member of Team Ghost made a valuable contribution.
I came up with a foolproof plan. You didn't even
That's
try it.
That's it! My new friends can show us the way! Clyde, that's a terrible idea. Upward, my chirpy chariots!
Holy shit!
Bye, Boolia! Karaoke night at my place next week?
Ah, the fruit of my labor. The world's spiciest berry.
Time to
Berry?
ruin your...
Oh, hey, Team Ghost. What do you do? Okay, have a nice
burning.
day.
They're burning. Okay, that's all for today. That's all. So, what do I think about the third episode? Yeah. Well, the episodes are very, very good. I can't wait to watch the fourth episode, which is like next month. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe because we're almost about to get 500 subscribers, so subscribe right now, okay? Subscribe, please! Well, that's it. Bye, everyone.